Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import reviews from Daraz to your Shopify store. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why product reviews are absolutely crucial for your Shopify store's success. Reviews build social proof and establish trust with potential customers who are visiting your store for the first time. They significantly improve your conversion rates by providing genuine feedback from previous buyers. And they can dramatically boost your search engine visibility since Google and other search engines prioritize products with fresh, user-generated content. While there are many review applications available, one of the most comprehensive and effective solutions is Judge Me. However, there's an important limitation we need to address. Judge Me doesn't natively support importing reviews directly from Daraz. But don't worry. I'm going to walk you through a smart workaround that will help you successfully leverage Daraz reviews on your Shopify store. Before we dive into the technical process, I want to share an incredible tool that can revolutionize how you find winning products. Want to discover products that are already proven to sell well and have excellent reviews? This is where Sell the Trend comes in. It's your complete all-in-one dashboard for everything e-commerce. You get access to advanced AI-powered product research capabilities and can perform deep analysis on competitor stores to see what's working for them. Find proven winners effortlessly with their Nexus AI products and hand-picked winners collections. Use the sophisticated ad finders to monitor trending ads across all major social platforms, giving you a significant competitive advantage. Unlock competitor secrets with their advanced spy tools for store and niche intelligence, allowing you to reverse engineer successful strategies. And it connects you directly to all major marketplaces, streamlining your entire workflow. It's essentially everything you need to find your next best-selling product, all in one intuitive platform. That's the power of Sell the Trend. I've included a special link in the description where you can try it for a full 14 days for just $1, an incredible value proposition. Now, let's get into the comprehensive step-by-step process. First, you need to install Judge Me on your Shopify store. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard and navigating to the Apps section in the left sidebar. Click on Visit Shopify App Store in the top right corner, which will open the marketplace in a new tab. Once the App Store loads, use the search function to find Judge Me. You'll want to install both the Product Reviews and AliExpress Reviews applications. These two apps work together seamlessly to help you manage and import reviews effectively. The installation process might take a few moments as Shopify verifies and adds the applications to your store backend. Once successfully installed, open Judge Me from your apps list and complete the comprehensive setup process. Click on Start Setup and carefully enable the App Embed feature, which ensures the review system integrates properly with your store's theme architecture. You'll want to install the Review Widget component. I strongly recommend positioning it right below your product description section, where customers naturally look for social proof before making purchase decisions. Additionally, install the Preview Badge feature, which displays star ratings prominently under your product pricing. This immediate visual social proof can significantly boost your conversion rates by building instant credibility and trust with store visitors. Now, here's where we implement the clever workaround for the Daraz limitation. Since Judge Me doesn't directly support Daraz imports, we need to use a strategic two-step process with specific browser extensions. First, install two essential browser extensions: Image Downloader and AliExpress Search by Image. You can find both of these in your browser's extension marketplace. They're free to use and typically take just a minute or two to install and, activate properly in your web browser. Next, navigate to Daraz.com and carefully locate the specific product whose reviews you want to import. Take your time browsing through relevant product categories or using the advanced search functionality to find the exact item you're looking for. Click on the product to view its complete details page. Now, using the Image Downloader extension, download the primary product image in the highest available quality for optimal results. Once downloaded, right-click on the image file and select the AliExpress Search by Image option from your browser's context menu. This will automatically search AliExpress's entire database for visually similar or identical products. Thoroughly browse through the search results and carefully identify products with high ratings and substantial numbers of quality reviews. Pay close attention to seller ratings, review authenticity, and overall product quality. Select the product that most accurately matches your Daraz product and has the best, most relevant reviews. This will redirect you to the corresponding AliExpress product page, where you can examine the customer feedback in detail. Copy the complete URL of this AliExpress product from your browser's address bar, SAI. We'll need this exact link for the next crucial step in our import process. Now, return to your Shopify dashboard and open the Judge Me AliExpress Reviews application. Click on Import Reviews from AliExpress and paste the complete AliExpress product URL you just copied into the designated input field. Select the specific Shopify product you want to associate these reviews with from your product catalog. Configure your import settings according to your specific requirements. You can choose how many reviews to import. I recommend starting with 5-7 quality reviews. Filter by specific countries if needed. And set requirements for reviews to include both images and detailed written content. These filters help ensure you're importing only the highest quality, most convincing reviews for your store. Click Import Reviews and patiently wait for the process to complete. Judge Me will now systematically import these reviews and automatically attach them to your specified Shopify product. The import duration can vary depending on the number of reviews and your internet connection speed. Once completed, you can further customize the visual appearance of your reviews through Judge Me's extensive branding settings. You can modify star colors to match your store's theme, add your store logo for brand consistency, and adjust the layout and display options to perfectly complement your store's design aesthetic. Finally, visit your live product page to verify that all reviews have been successfully imported and are displaying correctly. You should see the imported reviews with their original customer photos and authentic content now beautifully integrated into your Shopify store. This method effectively allows you to leverage valuable social proof from Daraz reviews by using AliExpress as an intermediary platform, giving your products the credibility they need to convert more visitors into paying customers. Remember, while importing reviews can provide your store with an immediate credibility boost, the most effective long-term strategy involves generating authentic reviews from your actual customers. Utilize Judge Me's automated review request features to encourage your buyers to leave genuine feedback after their purchases. This creates organic social proof that will continue to build trust and drive sales over time, establishing a sustainable review system for your growing e-commerce business. If you're looking for additional ways to optimize your store and discover winning products, I highly recommend checking out Sell the Trend using the link in the description below. That 14-day trial for just $1 could be exactly what you need to elevate your e-commerce business by helping you identify trending products with proven review potential before you even add them to your store inventory. Thanks for watching.